73 fake VS Code extensions just weaponize the world's most trusted code editor. For months, GlassWorm v2 malware hid inside tools developers downloaded thousands of times, stealing credentials, injecting backdoors, and turning workstations into remote attack nodes. Visual Studio Code is the world's most popular code editor, downloaded over 20 million times monthly, and trusted by developers at Fortune 500 companies, startups, and open-source projects worldwide. Its extension marketplace hosts over 50,000 add-ons, from themes to debugging tools, installed with a single click. In early 2024, security researchers at Check Point discovered something catastrophic. 73 extensions in that marketplace weren't productivity tools at all. They were meticulously crafted malware packages, each mimicking legitimate extensions with near-identical names, icons, and descriptions. Extensions like Theme Darkla Dark and Python Debugger Plus had been live for 6 to 8 months, racking up tens of thousands of downloads. The attackers exploited a crucial trust gap. Developers assume Microsoft vets every extension. They don't. But how did malware survive in plain sight for so long? GlassWorm v2 is a second-generation supply chain Trojan, significantly more sophisticated than its 2023 predecessor. Once installed, the malicious extension executes obfuscated JavaScript that contacts a command and control server within 24 hours. Researchers at cybersecurity firm Checkmarks documented its behavior. First, it exfiltrates environment variables, SSH keys, and browser-stored credentials. Then it injects a persistent backdoor into the developer's Git configuration, silently altering commit hooks to propagate itself into every repository the victim touches. The payload is modular. Attackers can dynamically load cryptocurrency miners, keyloggers, or lateral movement scripts, depending on the target's network. What makes GlassWorm v2 especially dangerous is its polymorphic obfuscation. Each infected machine receives a unique code signature, making traditional antivirus detection nearly impossible. By the time Check Point flagged the first extension, the malware had already spread to over 46,000 workstations across 12 countries. And that's only half the story, because the attackers had a much bigger plan. Here's the twist. The 73 extensions weren't uploaded by random hackers. They came from 41 seemingly legitimate developer accounts, some active since 2021 with positive reviews and verified badges. Forensic analysis revealed these accounts were compromised through targeted phishing campaigns in late 2023, then used as sleeper cells. So who was behind this, and what did they want? 73 fake extensions turned the world's most trusted code editor into a delivery system for state-grade malware, proving that no platform is too big to weaponize. GlassWorm v2 didn't just steal credentials, it hijacked the entire software supply chain, embedding itself in code that millions of users depend on. The attackers exploited our deepest assumption, that the tools we use to build technology are themselves secure. Subscribe at Brainy Whiz Bros for more hidden cyber threats.